In this video, we will see why some system services are in the masked state on Ubuntu. On Ubuntu and other Linux systems that use systemd, services are managed with the systemctl command. Sometimes, when you check a service, you may see that it's in the masked state. First, open your terminal. Now, type this command to check the status of a service. Systemctl status Bluetooth. You might see this line, loaded masked /dev/null. This means the service is blocked. Even if you try to start it, it won't work. A service is masked to make sure it cannot run at all, not by mistake, not at startup, and not by you. To see all masked services, use this command. systemctl list unit files. State =sign masked. If you want to unmask a service, use this. sudo systemctl unmask Bluetooth. Now the service is no longer blocked. If you want it to start when your system boots, run sudo systemctl enable Bluetooth, and to start it right now, run sudo systemctl start Bluetooth. If you want to block the service again, use sudo systemctl mask Bluetooth. That's it. Masked just means the service is turned off in a strong way. Now you know how to check it, unmask it, and mask it again. Thanks for watching.